Hi everyone, do you know you can actually earn up to 4,000 rupees per day by becoming a drone pilot? Drones are everywhere these days, used in videography, photography, mapping, surveillance and even inspections. But the most upcoming opportunity is in agriculture. Farmers are using drones for spraying pesticides, insecticides and even mapping their fields. Let me break it down. Being a licensed pilot, you can charge up to 400 rupees per acre. Guess what? You can easily cover 1 acre in not less than 8 to 12 minutes. That means you can easily cover multiple acres and make 4,000 rupees or more. Now the big question, how to get a drone license. Last month I got my remote pilot license from Garuda Aerospace and here it is the process. There are two categories of license. The small category, which means drones weighing from 2 kg to 25 kg, and the medium category, which means drone weighing from 25 kg to 150 kg. You can apply medium either or small or both. To be eligible, you must be 18 years of age and 10th pass. You must have a valid passport and Aadhaar card. Needless to say, you should be medically fit and have a good eyesight. You must train under valid RPTO, Remote Pilot Training Organization, which usually have 6 to 10 days of course covering theory classes, simulation classes and even the practical sessions. Usually they charge us up to 20,000 to 30,000 rupees for the course fee, and the license is valid for 10 years. But wait, a license alone won't make you money. You need a agriculture spraying drone which cost you somewhere like 5 to 8 lakh rupees. Worried about the cost, don't you? Now you can get bank loans at 6% interest rate under Agriculture Infrastructure Fund for buying agriculture drones. Plus, if you are in states like Tamil Nadu, you are even eligible for 50% subsidy under SMAM scheme. This is a big cost reduction. If you are interested in becoming a drone pilot and starting your own business, drop me in comment box. Let's talk.
Follow, 3, 2, 1.
Bye bye. See you. Till next time. Take care.